Hello, so this is the part where part number 10 of building a Flask server. And right here uh, I have redirected to dashboard.html, create an HTML for dashboard, and on the login page I added this. You see error filter escape. This error in here inside this span here will display the errors that I'm sending from the server side. So just like in here, so this error has a value in it. The first value I define the first this variable is defined with an empty string, and then if the username is wrong and the username and password is wrong, it will be the value of error will be changed to invalid credentials. Please try again. And we are rendering the template with logging, and this in here is how you pass a value. So this is the value, and this is going to be the name of the variable that you can use on the client side in here. Now let's go ahead, and we already installed my SQL. So now let's go ahead and get the MySQL command line client, and I will put password in here, and I will create a database. So the commands to create a database are just create database. It's case, sometimes it's case sensitive, or sometimes it's not. Create database. Now for this one, it's not case sensitive. I will call this Flask user, so put F users. This is going to be the name of the database. Okay, I create a database called F users. Very bad name, but I will continue. I will use F underscore users. And now I am inside there. And now I will create a table. Create table. I'll call it users. And I can pass in here all my attribute, all my columns just right here. So let me see. I will have an ID, will be the name of the first column. and I can say int for the type of my columns elements, and then I can say how many characters or how many digits I want. I won't say anything. I will leave it with default. What else do I need? I need username. You know, many people would just write username and password for the login thing, but I will also write the ID because in that way we are normalizing table for future uses. Okay. Username will be text or bar chart. I will just put bar chart instead. Bar chart, and I will put 50. No more than 50 for a username. And what else? Oh, by the way, the ID should be primary key, of course. But what else do I need? The password. Yes, so the password. Brochure. I'll make it big. I'll make chart. And I will make something like name so we can get names of the users. We'll just put char in here. 50. Can make a text if I wanted to. Yeah, the ID I don't want to have to create all the time, so we'll make it auto increment. And also make it primary key. I hope I don't have any errors right now. Yep. Now let me insert. Insert into the name of the table is called users, and I will select the order. Username, comma, that will be the column. Password. This is a dumb password, so don't worry. And the name. I don't need to have the ID because it's gonna be an auto increment. Put values, and I will pass the values in here. The first thing I will put is Alan double L. Too much. Yeah. Alan 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'll just go Alan123, and then I'll put for password LAN 432. I hope I remember this. And then the name will go Alan Toy. Make sure to put the quotation marks since they are expecting text. Good. Now let's check what elements do I have. Yeah, I got an error because I didn't put the quotation marks. But now I put the quotation marks, I got no errors. Select all. So this is a query. Select a star, which all star is all. Select all from users. And I will see how many users I have already. Only one. And I have the username and the password. It will be changing later. Good. Now we have a database created for us. Okay, next time we're gonna move